Title: How to access your HostGator webmail account. 2 minutes. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your HostGator webmail account effortlessly using the Google Chrome browser. Whether you're checking emails for business or personal use, having easy access is essential. So let's dive right into it and get you logged in quickly and securely. First things first, let's launch the Google Chrome browser. If it's not already open, go ahead and find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your start menu and click on it. Google Chrome is known for its speed and user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for accessing web-based services like email. Now that we have Google Chrome up and running, the next step is to navigate to the HostGator webmail login page. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type in https://webmail.hostgator.com and hit the enter key. This will take you directly to the HostGator webmail login portal where you can begin the process of accessing your email account. Once you're on the HostGator webmail login page, it's time to enter your credentials. In the field labeled email address, type in your full email address. This would be something like your name at yourdomain.com. Ensure that you enter your complete email address because this is how HostGator distinguishes between different mailboxes within a domain. Following that, move on to the next field, which is for your password. Carefully type in your email password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check to make sure you've got the right combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters if applicable. With both your email and password entered, you're now ready to access your inbox. Go ahead and click the login button. If your details are correct, this will take you right into your inbox, where you can start managing your emails, read the latest messages, and handle any other tasks you need to complete. If, however, you encounter any issues logging in, such as a warning about incorrect login details or forgotten passwords, don't worry. There are usually helpful options on the login page to recover your password or get additional support. Double check your email entries and password to ensure there's no mistake. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your HostGator webmail account using Google Chrome. Remember to always log out when you're finished, especially if you're on a shared or public computer, to keep your emails secure. Hopefully, these steps were clear and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a productive time managing your emails.